Hello, in this video I will show you how to change your text from uppercase to lowercase all at once using Excel function. It's very important because a lot of the time in companies data gets imported from one system or from to another system, and because of that data is formatted differently in different systems. So what we do in one system does not necessarily is something we will need in another system. So it's important that we know how to use certain functions and formulas to make our work easier. So let me show you how to change your text case from upper to lower using formula. So as you can see here, our company name is all in uppercase, right? It's all in capital letters, or at least part of the text is in capital letters. What we want to do today is to change this all to lower case. We can manually type it each one, or we can use formula. Obviously manually typing will take a lot longer because normally in the company you will have thousands and thousands of records, if not hundreds of thousands or millions, or even you could even have that, which is obviously not possible to do manually. So that's why we will use formula here, and let's see how it works. So as always, the function begins with equal sign and then the command. You just need to type first few letters and it picks up the rest of it. So you just press tab key on the keyboard, and now it is asking where the text is that needs to be converted from uppercase to lowercase. So you can select this whole data set here or part of it at anywhere in this data set, in the middle of it, just one of it, or any specific ones. It's up to you, but just for the purpose of this video I will select all of them. So like that, and that's it. Just press enter on your keyboard, and there you go. You see this is all done. Now you can simply copy and paste from here to here. So let's say if I bring it back here, and there. Okay, so what has happened here is there's something. So I have copied these values here, but it is because referencing to this original data. I will get to that what is happening here, but let me just show you how it is possible. So let me just copy it here again and come to this extra info. I just need to get some extra options here in Excel. So I have this data paste and paste. I just select here, and now I need to paste values. Now okay, so now we got the values here. Before it was copying formula, that's why it was giving us an error. So now we just have the values. So I copied those and I put them in here, and there you go. All of them have been converted to lowercase. So I hope you understood it. I will recap it once more. Let me clear this all. Let me go back by doing Control Z. So it's all exactly where it was when we started. So you press equal sign, type your command lower, and give it the data range. So I have given it the data range. Press enter, and there you go. It copies it. It converts all the uppercase into the lowercase. It does not change anything else. It keeps the spaces where they are. It keeps the data exactly as it is in the same order. Nothing gets changed, nothing gets removed or added. The only thing happens is that from capital it becomes from upper to lowercase. Okay, and again, if you want to copy this, you will copy it here. You will first have to copy the values. For that, you go in there, paste values, and now you can copy these values, because this is even though you are seeing them as values, but these are actually the formulas. If you click on any of them, you will see here it shows formula. Okay, so we need actual values. So I copy them, paste them in here. There you go, all converted. Okay, the same way you can use to convert, you can use another command which is called upper, that will convert the lowercase data into uppercase. So let's have a look. Equal sign, upper, tab, the same format, give it data range, hit enter, and there you go, all data converted to uppercase. And you can again, just like we copied the values here and then pasted them in here, you can do the same with uppercase. So today we have learned lowercase and uppercase functions of Excel. I hope you understood, and if you have any comments or any questions, you can ask me in the comment section and I will try my best to help you and resolve your problem. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.